Hello everyone. Let us do another activity to find out the midpoint of a line segment by paper folding. Clearly the aim of the activity will be to find the midpoint of a line segment and draw its perpendicular bisector by paper folding. Okay, next what do we have? The pre-acquired knowledge. We need to know about the concept of midpoint of a line segment, the concept of perpendicular bisector. The material required, we need the origami sheets, the pencil, ruler, protractor, fevistick, black sketch pen, and the scissors. So let us see the first step. The first step is draw a line segment AB of length 10 centimeters on an origami sheet. So I take up an origami sheet and I draw a line segment AB of 10 centimeters. Next, what is the second step? The second step is fold the origami sheet in such a way that the point A falls on B. So what I'll do is I'll take this sheet of paper and I'll find out approximate middle portion of this sheet and I'll fold it such that point A will come on point B. So let me show you how do I do that. I take this and I fold it over here such that A and B are simply now coinciding with each other. Okay. Now what do we get to see? So this was the sheet of paper. Once I fold it, it gets folded like this and you can see this white portion. I just clicked the picture after folding. This white portion of the sheet, the reverse portion is now falling on B and clearly you can see this A and B are now coinciding with each other. Okay. So this is how it's going to look. The step 3 is now unfold this sheet. Once you unfold this sheet, you can see a crease will be formed. Okay. Now this, while folding, we get a crease, and once we unfold it, we darken the crease and name it as XY. So on unfolding it, we just darken the crease and we get this XY line. And this XY line is what? This is the perpendicular bisector. So this is going to be your pasting work. You will take the sheet and you're going to fold it. You're going to open it and paste it after drawing the perpendicular XY, right? Next, mark the point of intersection of AB and XY as point O. So I mark this point as O. I measure OA and OB. OA and OB I measure with the ruler. And I also measure angle XOA and angle XOB also with the protractor, right? Let us see the observation. What will the observation be? I will find out that OA and OB both will come out to be equal to 5 centimeters. That means they are coming equal to half of AB, right? And also angle XOA and XOB will also come out to be 90 degrees. So what do we conclude from this? From this activity, we easily learn through paper folding how can we find out the midpoint of the line segment and draw its perpendicular bisector. Why is it a perpendicular bisector? Because this XY is bisecting AB, so it's a bisector, and because this angle XOA and XOB both are coming out to be 90 degrees, therefore it is a perpendicular also. So we say that XY is the perpendicular bisector of AB and O will be the midpoint of AB, right? So I hope this activity is clear to you. Watch the video again in case you have any doubt. Thank you so much.